It happened in the hen house at the other end of town. There was a most respectable hen preening herself on her perch when...
Well, there's that feather gone. Well, and the more I preen myself, the prettier I shall become.
Oh, my goodness. Did you hear that? Well, I won't mention names, but there's one hen I know who is going to pluck out all her feathers just because she thinks it makes her look smart. How ridiculous!
Now, up above the hen house, there lived an owl. They were sharp-eyed and eared and heard every word the brown hen told her neighbor.
Upon my word, I don't know what the world is coming to. I must tell the owls across this road what I have heard. Have you heard the news? Have you heard the news? There is a hen who has pulled out all of her feathers just to impress the rooster. She is freezing to death if she isn't dead already. Toot-toot, toot-toot.
Where?
In the yard opposite. I saw it, so to speak, with my own eyes. It's not at all a nice story, but it's perfectly true.
True, too true. True, too true. Did you hear? There's a hen. In fact, some say 2 hens who have plucked out all of their feathers to be different and attract the attention of the rooster. They caught cold and died. Both of them.
How ridiculous. Everyone must hear about this. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Wake up, wake up. 3 hens have all died of a broken heart for the sake of me, the rooster. They've plucked out all of their feathers. It really is terrible, but it's no good keeping it quiet. Tell anyone you please.
We'll tell! And so the story flew from one hen house to another, until at last it came back to the place where it had really started.
Oh dear, have you heard? 5 hens have plucked out their feathers to show which one has lost the most weight for the love of the rooster. Then they pecked at one another till they bled and all 5 dropped down dead. A shame and disgrace, if I do say so myself. I must make sure this story gets to the newspapers. People need to hear about this.
The hen who had dropped the little loose feather naturally didn't recognize her own story and what it had become. It did get printed in the newspaper, and it's perfectly true. 1 little feather can easily become 5 hens.